The draft analysis command can be used to visualize and inspect the various draft properties of your model's geometry. This can be useful for molding and casting, for example. In this case, I have a very simple shelled model, and currently the side walls have no draft value added to them, although we do have a chamfer at the base here. I'll now click on the draft analysis tool. You can see the first thing it's asking us to select is the draft pull direction. To select this, select the face that represents the direction the draft will pull in. In this case, I'll select this base face here. You can see the arrow is now pointing upward. If we would like to toggle that in reverse, we can click on this checkbox here to toggle the arrow in reverse, or the pull direction in reverse. We can also set the draft angle. In this case, I'll leave it set at 1 degree, and then I'll click Calculate. Now you can see our model has been represented with various colors. You can see in the color settings, green means that it has a positive draft for the pull area we've chosen. Yellow requires draft, and red has a negative draft. You can see there's currently no red that we can see. If we rotate the model, we'll see red on the underside here. You can see all of the outside faces here require drafting. So let's draft those faces and then have another look at the model. I'll go to the Feature tab and click on the Draft Faces command. Now I'll choose my neutral plane, and then for the faces to select, I'll click on this face, this face, this face, and so on. You can see a preview of where the face will end up showing on the model. Now I've selected all my side faces. I'll click OK. And before I click OK, it's worth noting that we're setting a 2 degree draft angle here for these faces. I'll now click OK, and that draft angle has been set. Now I'll go back to the draft analysis tool, set the pull direction again, and again click Calculate. As you can see, now all the internal walls are green, because they now have at least the required draft angle of 1 degree. You can see if I change this to 2 degree and click Calculate, it's still okay, but if I change it to 3 degrees, it will show those side faces require more of a draft. That's how to use the draft analysis command.